welcome back. Today we're going to be making some rustic roasted potatoes, aka home style potatoes, aka they're probably really just roasted potatoes with a little bit of pizzazz. This is an item I'll usually have stocked in the fridge. It's a great side to go along with any other dinners, breakfasts, lunch, whatever you know, it's like a good just all around player for any meals you're putting together. And I also like it just because it's super simple, and if you're short on time, it's easy to just prepare and then toss in the oven, and 30-40 minutes later, you got potatoes. So without further ado, let's get into it. For ingredients, we'll need 6 medium-sized, about 2 to 2.5 pounds of Yukon white or red potatoes, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, fresh ground pepper, and olive oil. Before prepping these taters, I'll preheat the oven to 400. Next, I'll wash the taters and scrub off any dirt on there. When your taters are clean, peel off any of the gnar-bits. You also don't want to let your taters go green, but if they do, make sure to peel off all the green skin too. Once you've peeled off those gnar-bits, cut your taters to about 1-inch pieces or to your preferred size. When you're done chopping, add a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil to the bowl, along with the cayenne pepper, chili powder, and salt. Then give those a good toss. The tater toss isn't too hard, but it does take a bit of practice. And if you lose a couple, just give them a good rinse and toss them back in there. I also forgot to add my salt, so I do it here. When you're done tossing, line a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread out your taters. I prefer parchment paper over foil because sometimes the taters stick to the foil and you lose some of those crispy edges. This is also where I'll add some of that fresh cracked pepper. By now the oven should be good to go, so pop those taters in there. The total cook time is about 40 minutes, so about halfway through at 20 minutes I'll give these a good flip just to make sure all sides are getting toasty. At the 40-minute mark, I'll test the taters to see if they're fork tender, or in this case, knife tender. And there you go! Behold your roasty, toasty taters. And there you have it! Nice and easy roasted potatoes. The chili powder and cayenne give it a little bit of a kick, but not too intense. And always remember, if you are sensitive to heat, feel free to just hold that cayenne. And that's all there is to it. Go make yourself some roasted potatoes. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.